Hi guys! Welcome back for another video. For today's episode, we will be cooking a spicy garlic prawns with mushroom. Sounds exciting!
Confirmed office is down 1980 Park Avenue.
To begin with, we need to devein the prawns. Then remove the head and the shell. These are the ingredients: butter, 1 can of mushroom, sliced garlic, deveined prawns, 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Heat the pan, olive oil in, put the butter and let it melt. Garlics in, toss the prawns, once it becomes reddish, you can now add the mushroom. Then mix it. Then add the dried rosemary, season it with salt and black pepper, and the chili powder. Lastly, add the ketchup. And mix till it's done and cook. There you have it, our homemade spicy garlic prawns with mushroom, topped with fresh parsley. And that for me is a delicious dish to complete your day. Thanks for watching mga ka-Jabagab. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Thanks guys!